Alright guys, so what we did today, what we're gonna do is clean the outside of the Jeep, under the Jeep. Yeah, I said that. And now we're gonna prep the wheels. Check out my last video where I unboxed those hubcaps. Alright guys, so check it out. I'm priming the tires. Got the black tape for the wheels to get sprayed. We got the spray paint, and I haven't cleaned the hubcaps yet. But yeah, now I'm gonna spray paint the wheels. Then I'm gonna reuse this on this tire, and then we're gonna put the tire back on the car, and then do that 4 more times. So here we are. Now we got the 2 wheels over there, freshly painted. I'm gonna put one on there. Then I got the hubcaps. Now I'm gonna clean these and put them on. And there we go. Just got these OEM hubs, and Dead Jeep stocked them, so shout out, and keep up the bad work. I mean the Dead Jeep work. The Jeep work. Yeah. All right, so here we go. We got the tire cleaned, wheel cleaned, painted, hubcaps cleaned and painted. And I got these screws that I prepped to go ahead and secure the hubcap back here. Alright guys, now it's the end of the day, and we've been working pretty much on the rims and the hubcaps for a couple hours now. I'm exaggerating. It's been took me like 30 minutes per wheel, 45 minutes per wheel, maybe an hour, but we're done. Paint is dry, hubcaps are on. So yeah, looks pretty clean. Thanks for watching, and if you guys enjoyed, still have to do another video for the rest of the parts. Which is the passenger mirror. Clean it, put it on, and maybe paint it. And then the rearview mirror, it's basically just like a sticker, and it hangs over there. Alright. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy, and like and subscribe. So yeah, peace. Ciao. Oh, hey. Yeah, I didn't see you there. Yeah, you. No, just kidding. Hey Siri, pause music. Okay, so now we got the wheel, ladies.